Hello everyone. Today I will explain about ground and infinitive, how to use them and the difference in meaning. Number one definition. Ground verb plus ing, a verb that has been converted into a noun by adding the suffix ing. Because its function is a noun, a ground can serve as a subject, a decorate object or the object of the profession within a sentence. Next, infinitive. To plus verb 1. The best form of a verb preceded by the particle, to unlike a ground. An infinitive acts a verb parts that express a purpose, intonation, plain, or abstract attraction that is often future oriented. Next, interaction. In English grammar, when two verbs appear consecutively within a single clause and second verb cannot simple and writing in its base form. The second verb must adapt based on the characteristic of the first verb. Grammatical adjustment is known as a verb pattern. Determining whether the second verb must become a ground or the infinitive. Next, explanation of ground usage. Number one, following certain verb. There is a specific group of verbs that must be followed by a ground is if another action accompanies them. Next, common verb. Avoid, enjoy, finish, mind, postpone, practice, recommended, success, suggest, admit, Danny, keep loan, and image. Next, example sentence. Number one, she enjoys swimming at the beach. Swimming is the activity she likes. Number two, we should avoid traveling during the peak season. Traveling is the action to be avoided. Next, following preposition. Whenever a verb is placed directly after a preposition, such as in, on, at, about, of, for, before, after, without, and besides, that verb must change into a ground. And for example, a sentence, I'm interested, I'm learning photography. And example two, she left the room without saying a word. Next, explanation of infinitive usage. An infinitive is typically used to refer to future-oriented action, abstract concept, or a specific purpose or intonation. Next, following certain verb. This verb usually indicate an intonation, plan, hope, or decision declared toward the future. Common verb agree, decide, hope, manage, over, plan, promise, refuse, want, afford, and disavoid, fail. For example sentence, they decided to buy a new car. Buying the car is a future plan resulting from the discussion. An example two, he refused to sign the unfair contract. Signing the contract is the action he rejected. Next, following adjective. An infinitive is used to complement or explain the reason behind an adjective expressing feelings, difficulty levels, or judgments. Next, general formula. Subject plus be plus adjective plus to plus verb 1. Example sentence, it is difficult to understand his accent. And example 2, I'm happy to help you with the project. Next, shift in meaning for specific verb. Some verb can be followed by either from the meaning of the sentence change completely depending on the choice. Main verb stop, following by a ground verb plus ing to communically halt or quell the activity. X, he stopped smoking, he quit smoking. Permanently or reiterated the habit, followed by an infinitive to verb 2 plus verb 1 to interrupt an ongoing activity in order to do something new. X, he stopped to smoke. He pauses what was doing to have a cigarette. Next, remember to recall a past memory and even that already happened. It's I remember looking the door. I have a visual memory or looking the door earlier. Next, remember to recall a past memory or an event that already happened. Example, I remember look at the door. I have a visual memory of looking the door earlier. Next, to remember a duty, task, or obligation before doing it. Example, remember to lock the door. Don't forget to lock the door later. Next, forget. The look back and forget past experience. Example, I will never forget traveling Japan. I will always cherish the memory of my past trip. Next, to file to do something you were supposed to do. Example, don't forget to pay the bill. Make sure you remember to pay the bill later. Next, try to experiment with a new method as a option or solution. Example, try adding some salt to the soup and some salt and see if it tastes better. Next, to make a great Next, try to make a great physical or mental effort to do something difficult. Example, I tried to open the window, but I was stuck. I made a strong effort but failed. Next, conclusion. Mastering verb patterns with ground and infinitive is essential for having equity and fluency in English. In summary, number one, the ultimate factor determining the form of the second verb is the main verb that predicates it. Number two, ground essentially a verb until a noun and that generally used for action that have already happened, obvious and mandatory implement after preposition. Number three, infinitive essentially express purpose or intonation, future plans and are placed right after adjective. Number four, several crucial verb demand close annotation because closing the from bottom will complementary alter the message you convey to your listener or reader. That's all for today. I hope this explanation helped you understand better. Thank you for watching.